Hey there, Playmobil pals. We are checking out a new figure for the Playmobil Special Plus line. Let's check it out. Welcome back, my friends. We are checking out today the Playmobil Special Plus set number 71583. This is the Sweets Unicorn. Perfect name for this figure. I do like the lollipop-shaped balloon that she's holding. She's got these little sprinkles here on her costume, or pajamas maybe even. And of course she's got that really cool looking headpiece that resembles a unicorn. The other side of the box has a continuation of that front image and a QR code that teaches you a little bit about recycling. And then on the other side here, we do have the Special Plus logo. Turning it a little more over to the side, we do have the barcode. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. The back side concludes the choking hazard warnings, and then has all of our pieces photographed individually. And it does look like you get 3 charms with this little bracelet here. Alright, that is it for the box details, guys. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. So here we have the headpiece. Very cute horse headpiece here. I do like the eyes. I love the fact that they're painted. Here's the hair. Let's see. I guess this is supposed to slide right in. Oh, it does. Okay. Very nice. And that's what this horsey looks like. And now it's no longer just a regular horse. It's a unicorn. And yeah, the horn fits in nice and snug there. As you can see, our Clicky is decked out in all pink and some hotter pink boots and a hot pink collar. And she's got these stars and what could be sprinkles all over the front of her pajamas or outfit here. And then she's got a cupcake right there on her chest, smiling back at you. And yeah, it's supposed to be part of the whole scheme here, as it is a Sweets unicorn. She's supposed to be maybe bringing cheer to all the kids with candy and cupcakes and things like that. And I just installed her tail / belt. It's pretty nifty. I thought maybe Playmobil by now would probably have like a hole in her back so you can just stick the tail in rather than having the belt. But I think this works out just fine. Here's what the headpiece looks like from underneath, from the inside. And this just pops right on to her head. Yeah, right there. Boy, she is tall. Here's her balloon. We got the front and back here of the lollipop-esque balloon. Here's the quote-unquote string, if I can pick it up. And then we just put it right in there. And it's snap. Wow, this is probably the easiest closing balloon I've ever had. It's nice and snug, although this can still slip out. That part I'm not completely certain that's supposed to do that, but and then of course you gotta manipulate this just a bit, see if you can get it straight so that when she holds it, it kind of goes up like a balloon would, a helium balloon would. And it's not going to. It's wanting to kind of fall forward. Well, this isn't too bad. That's not too bad. She didn't come with a stand. I thought maybe she would be a figure that would come with a stand. But she's maintaining her balance pretty well. Okay, just for fun here, we've got a size comparison with one of our Scooby-Doo villains on the far left, and then the Frog Prince on the right center, and then one of the Ever Dreamers characters from Series 2, I believe. So these are all, Playmobil figures and costumes. And as you can see, the Sweets unicorn is taller, significantly taller. Not just because of the unicorn horn, but also because of the horse's headpiece that our Clicky is wearing. It is a much taller headpiece to begin with, so it kind of gives her the height advantage there. Alright, so let's check out this little bracelet here. And it seems like good quality, at least quality that's going to last for a little while. I'm sure any young child will enjoy it. And then, of course, it has this little ball end and then a loop end, and you just put the ball end through the loop to close up the bracelet. I don't want to do that right now because I've got charms to put on it. So we're going to check those out. I thought we had 4 charms, but they've got one of the charms in 2 pieces, and it's a cupcake. So you got the icing, the frosting here, and then the cake part in my left hand, and that's what the cupcake portion looks like. And we can go ahead and feed that through can we? If I know what I'm doing, sure. There we go. There we go. And you feed that a little bit down the line there. It's kind of cute. And then we have like this little waffle heart. Kind of resembles a waffle. But how does it taste? And then we can weave that one through the line here. There we go. And then we have the last one, which is a blue wrapped piece of candy. Non-edible piece of candy. And we're going to just do this the way it looks like on the box in the same order. And then there we have our charms. I wish, there we go. I wish the cupcake one would dangle. Well, it does kind of, just as freely as the waffle and the candy piece do. All right, and then you just put the ball through the loop if you can. I'm sorry, I'm going out of frame here. There we go. And voila, there is your bracelet. That's pretty cool. It's a nice little extra treat for the kids who are into this Clicky. And we've reached the end of our video, guys. Thanks for tuning in and checking out the unboxing and review of set 71583, the Sweets Unicorn. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also catch us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. Guys, I promise we got more on the way, so stay tuned, and we will see you again very soon, I promise. Thanks a lot for watching. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.